Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Ooh, wee. That Saturday morning cough, y'all. Woo. Anyways, guess what? You are at the last and final video, and this is the last and final paragraph for your essay. Uh oh. Anyway, the concluding paragraph. Simple. Simple. Why? Because you're only restating everything that you've already done. So, the very first thing that I need in your concluding paragraph, just rephrase your thesis statement. Just take your thesis statement, reword it, type it up, bada bing, bada boom. Guess what? That's your first sentence in your concluding paragraph. Then you're just going to summarize. Somebody say summarize. Uh-huh. All of your main ideas from your body paragraph. What? Yes, is that simple? You're gonna look at your topic sentence. You're gonna say, hmm. And then you're gonna look at your concluding sentence and you're gonna go, you're gonna mix it together. You're gonna summarize it. And that's gonna be your second and third sentence of your concluding paragraph. Then your last sentence is the final thoughts about your topic as a whole. Now, remember, we cannot use first person or second person language, but it's simple. Your concluding paragraph is basically your introductory paragraph inverted. Inverted, flip. Yeah, flip it. All right. So, here are your do's and don'ts. Do not, you already know what I'm about to say do not. Look at your mama and say, Mama, do not. Okay, anyway, do not use contractions. Write that word out. I am. And please, I did not put this in this PowerPoint, but I know you all know better. If you're going to quote I, let's say that Romeo is saying I or Juliet is saying I, please capitalize the I and I. I know that sounds crazy, but yes. Do not use slang. No slang whatsoever. I checked a lot of you all's documents that you sent me via Google Doc. That is what I'm requiring everyone to do. Um, a lot of you all did use slang. Here's what I need for you to do. Take that slang word, figure out what you want to say. Use your thesaurus. Don't tell me you don't have a thesaurus when you have a phone in your hand. Yes, you do. Everything you need is at your fingertips. You are holding the whole world in your hand. You got the whole world in your hand. Anyway, you cannot use first person. You cannot use you. And your whole essay needs to sound objective. You're only talking about the facts. I don't want to, facts, objective. Objective means you're not giving me your opinion. You got to sound that way. Because even though your essay is about your opinion, you can't say things like, um, I believe that. No, you may say some may believe. Okay. All right. Now, I want you all to look at everything in the gizzard. The gizzy go, glitter go. Yep. You're going to incorporate compound complex and compound complex sentences. Why? We talked about this. I want you to use this. I'm looking for this in your essays. You have your sentence pattern handout that I gave you. Use some of the sentence patterns from your sentence pattern handout. Yes, challenge yourself. Use some of your vocabulary words. Yes, challenge yourself. Use a thesaurus. Yes, challenge yourself. Use a dictionary. If you're not sure what that word means, look it up and then write that new word in your composition book. Yes, challenge yourself. Only write in third person. Use quotations. And of course, please use paragraph form. Your font should be a size 12. Your font size is a size 12. Your font, the writing, like how it looks, should be Times New Roman. Okay? Indent the first sentence in each paragraph. That's just hit the space bar one time. All right. So let's go to my example. And then you're gonna get your surprise. Ooh. And then you're gonna get your surprise. Yep. And then you're gonna get your surprise. So of course you need a transition word to let me know that Mrs. Bond, this is my conclusion. So yes, you can use in conclusion. Here's mine. In conclusion, Homer's use of tone illustrates that being prideful can lead to a path of doom. I simply restated what I said in the thesis statement. The use of tone gives insight to Homer's attitudes towards Odysseus' leadership style of negligence. Now, that's my summary of my body paragraph. Here's my wrap up sentence. It's the why is this important? How does this shape the world? When it comes to pride, most people will agree that it does have its place. Where this agreement usually ends is at the cost of pride. Should pridefulness cost people lives? Should it cost their happiness? Bada bing, bada boom, I've ended. Now, here's your surprise. Guess what? Those of you all who are listening to this video, those of you all who have, and you're listening to the video, and somebody say and you have shared your doc with me via Google Doc, guess what? You only have to pick one. Somebody say one. Say it again. Say it again. One language. Let's go back to and you can see me manipulating this. Let's go back to one pattern of language. Here we go. One pattern of language. I done made your essay super duper simple. So that means your essay is really going to be, instead of 5 paragraphs, 3. Why? Why am I doing this? Here's why. You're up on a Saturday morning. You're trying to get your work done. I appreciate you. That's determination. That is how you will survive in this world, okay? You have to be determined. So here's your writing prompt. Pause it. Instead of doing 3, you now have to figure out one pattern of language, okay? You're still going to have to analyze that one pattern of language and how that one pattern shows or reveals your motif, whatever your motif is, and how that motif creates whatever your theme is. Got it? All right. Enjoy your Saturday. Oh, and you just have to have this turned in to me Monday. You know, I'm gonna be so nice. How about this? Tuesday. Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. All righty. Have a good one. And I'm out.